Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by powering both devices. Plug the modem in first, wait for stable online lights, then power the new router. Once done, connect the modem LAN port to the router WAN port with a good Ethernet cable. You do this now to ensure the router can obtain an IP from your ISP. Make sure to use the router's labeled WAN port. Using a LAN port will keep devices on separate networks. Keep admin credentials close for the next steps. You now open the router's admin page from a wired PC or phone and log in. Once inside, configure the WAN. Choose DHCP for most home ISPs, or enter static IP or PPPoE details if required. Next, update the SSID and Wi-Fi password and enable both too. 4 GHz and 5 GHz if available for device compatibility. Make sure to set a strong encryption like WPA2 or finish by optimizing settings. Scan for Wi-Fi interference and set a clean channel or leave on auto. Once done, configure DHCP range and reserve IPs for printers or NAS so addresses stay consistent. Make sure to update router firmware and reboot both modem and router to apply changes. Test connectivity on multiple devices and run a speed test. If something fails, one key troubleshooting tip: reboot modem and router in sequence. Modem first, wait 60 seconds, then router. This clears most lease and routing issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.